Hi, I'm picking the winner for the yarn giveaway. Also, if you haven't already seen, I'm going to show a few things before I pick the winner. The Knit Crate yarn giveaway is $24.99 per month. You get 2 skeins of yarn and a booklet of patterns. You can sign up under me and get your first month 20% off with the promo code JEWEL20. Amazon, I have crochet hats for beginners, the Kindle paperback audio, and crochet for beginners here as well. That's all listed down below in the description. This is my blog here, amyscrochetpatterns.com, which is down below. I have all patterns here under patterns. You just click on one of these categories. So if you click on headbands, it'll take you right to a bunch of patterns. All these patterns are mostly free. You just have to click on the picture. So I can just click on that one. It'll take me right to the pattern. And there you go. A lot of them do have videos. And my Facebook group and page is down below if you'd like to join that. And then my Etsy store, which has thank you tags, crochet printables, and ponchos, calendars, little cards, some more calendars per month, calendars, and gift tags. Crochet vintage, this one is a pattern here. Vintage, vintage, that one is a pattern. That's just a normal pattern, not vintage. And there's more vintage here. Okay, so let's see who the winner is. Okay, so the winner is Leanne Stearns. Congratulations. Please contact me with your information so I can send this out as soon as possible. And thank you everybody for participating and subscribing.